Are you using interdental brushes like this? Hey guys, this is Dr. Arnold, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your interdental brush in the right way so that you get the best in maintaining your gums. Okay, so with a TP, one of the things people are doing wrong with that is they are using them like a toothbrush and trying to brush their teeth with interdental brushes, which is not what they're designed for. They're designed to get right in between the teeth. Another thing that people are doing is they are not really using their mirror to insert the interdental brushes, so they end up poking into the gum instead of between the teeth, or they end up poking right into the tooth, and then the interdental brush will bend, it will break, and people just give up because it's not working for them. Another thing that I hear often is the fact that the interdental brushes are not fitting in between the teeth. They're too big. And again, this may be an issue if you haven't got the correct size for your mouth. So you need a dental professional to find the right size for you, show you the technique so that you can get them through in between the teeth. You want them to be a snug fit. You don't want them to be a loose fit. A loose fit means that they're not being effective in between your teeth. And remember, interdental brushes are great because they cover the areas your toothbrush would never reach. So if you're not using interdental brushes, you're not using floss, then you're not fully cleaning your teeth. So what you want to be doing with your interdental brushes is, once you've now highlighted the size that's the snug fit, that fits well between the teeth, you've got the technique right, as shown in this video, you want to be making sure you get in between each of the spaces. And I usually like to do about 3 to 5 times going in and out of each of the spaces, and make sure I'm going all around the mouth in the areas where the interdental brush can fit. I'll use that same interdental brush for about 3 or 4 days, but I need to chuck it away. Usually they come in a pack, so a pack can last you many weeks, like a good month before you need to get a new pack. So they do last a long time, and they do a great job at keeping the gums healthy, and you end up having fresher breath because any bits of plaque or food stuck in between the teeth get flushed out.